Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make the Bear of Love Totem necklace from the 2003 film Brother Bear. To start off, we are going to use our Scupley Air Dry Clay first. The first thing we're going to do is take a good amount of clay and start molding it into shape. We're going to start by only adding a little bit amount of mold shape to the clay that looks similar to the bear. After we get it to its molding shape look, the only thing that we're going to do is take our tool and take only a small piece off the head so we can start by working on the additional feature of the ears for the bear. And after we add the last features to it, we're going to let this sucker dry for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours have passed, our totem necklace mold is finally hard as a rock. So the next thing we have to do is take our pencil and start drawing out all the details, because this will be our guide once we start going into our Dremel carving, to get all of the details from the arms, the eyes, the mouth, everything that relates to the detail of the totem necklace. After finishing our sketch, we're going to go to our Dermal Tool 3000, set the speed on the 4, and we're going to start by taking all the extra material off our totem. There's going to be a lot of extra materials of the clay that doesn't need to be on it, so we're going to start by going by the sides, the front, the back, and also the edges as well. But the one thing that has the most material will be the back, because there's so much extra materials that we do not need anymore. After all the extra materials are gone, we're going to start by putting in the details now, and that's by putting in first the small details underneath the arms of our totem. And after we get those two in, we're going to start by getting everything 3D by going behind the head and also going by the arms more to get in those 3D effects, and also starting with the head of carving in with those nice curves. While doing this carving, we will be using other types of Dremel bits. So the first thing we're going to use is by using our little ball bit to get into those little details between the arms of the gap and also underneath the head of the bear, and also going in with a sharp drill bit to go between the arms and the claws. With the bear snout, we're going to make sure that it has a nice flat surface for the nose, and we're going to take our sandpaper, we're going to fold it in half and get into those deep corners of detail to get it all sanded down nice and perfect. We're also going to use one of the carving bits to carve in the mouth for the bear. After carving the mouth, the last thing we have to do is take our Dremel tool and put in 2 eyes for our totem. Once it's finally done, we're going to take our sandpaper and take whatever materials that we missed until it looks like this. Once it's beautifully carved, we're going to take black and white paint and we're going to stir it up together to give us that dark gray color that we really want, and we're going to start painting it from both front and back. This will take at least 2 or 3 coats of paint by painting it, drying it, and repeat. After everything is painted and dried, our next step is by taking our black Sharpie pen and color in the eyes to give it that darker color to the eyes. And after that, you should be getting a result looking like this. Our final step to make it wearable is by taking our twine, getting it enough length of the string, cut it out, and by taking one part of the string and sliding it through our totem necklace, make sure it's all perfectly even, and once it's tied off, our a necklace of the Bear of Love Totem from Brother Bear is finally complete.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.